Good morning. All of you are welcome in third semester. For first and second semester, there are two papers for 50 marks. But for third semester, there are three papers of 50 marks. These are MAT 301 number 3, MAT 302 integral transform and MAT 303 mechanics first. Out of these three papers I am going to teach first paper number 3. First chapter is divisibility theory in the integers. Now in this chapter at first we shall see what is a division algorithm. From school level we know that dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the division algorithm. Now state this as means we shall consider A and B are integers. A and B are integers. With B is greater than 0, then there exists integers Q and R such that A is equals to BQ plus R, where 0 is less than or equal to R is less than B. This is called as a division algorithm. The integer Q is called as a quotient. The integer R is called as a remainder. That means dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. For example, consider A is equals to 101 and B is equals to 3. These are given integers A and B. With B is greater than 0. I have taken both integers greater than 0. Then we have to find the Q and R, that means quotient and remainder. Here I am taking 3 as a divisor and 101 as a dividend. That means we shall divide 101 by 3. 101 divided by 3. As usual, 3 3s are 9. That means 3 is quotient. 3 3s are 9. 1. Take this one here. Then again 3 3s are 9. 2 remains. 33 is a quotient. When we divide 101 by 3, 33 is a quotient. 2 is a remainder. That means it can be done as 101 is equals to divisor is 3 into quotient 33 plus remainder R, that is 2. That means when we consider A is equal to 101, B is equal to 3, we get Q, that is quotient 33 and R remainder 2. That means this is of the form A is equals to BQ plus R. Now this is a division algorithm. Now using division algorithm we can solve some problems. I am taking one of them. The statement of the problem is show that square of an odd integer, square of an odd integer is of the form 8k plus 1, where k is an integer. Now in this problem we have to show that square of every integer, specific odd integer, is of the form 8k plus 1. We shall try to prove this. As we want to prove that square of odd integer means we shall consider some odd integer. Let us denote by a. Let a be an odd integer. A be an odd integer. Now we shall divide a by 4. That means 4 is a divisor, a is a dividend. By division algorithm, we have to consider q and r as a quotient and remainder. Means applying division algorithm for a and 4, we get a is equals to 4q plus r. 0 is less than or equal to r is less than b by division algorithm. Q is a quotient, r is a remainder. From this expression, 0 is less than r is less than b. But what is b here? Yes, what is b? We are dividing by 4. That means b is equals to 4. Okay, means this becomes, or we may write this as 0 is less than or equal to r is less than 4. And from this expression, we get r is equals to 0, r is equals to 1, r is equals to 2, and r is equals to 3. That means there are 4 values of r from 0 to 3 because r is less than 4 and less than or equal to 0. If we consider r is equals to 0, we get a is equals to 4q. If we consider r is equals to 1, a is equals to 4q plus 1. And if you consider r is equals to 2, we get a is equals to 4q plus 2. And finally, a is equals to 4q plus 3. Means for these 4 values of r, we get 4 different values of a. Now here 4q is a clearly even integer because any integer multiplied by 4 is always a even integer. Or you can observe that 4q is written as 2 into 2q and 2q is even. Even integer into 2 is again a even integer. That means this 4q is even integer. 4q is even plus 1. That means 4q plus 1 is odd integer. 4q plus 2, even plus 2, even integer. And finally 4q plus 3 is odd integer. Okay? Means we get two values of a as even and two values of a as odd. But our assumption is that a is an odd integer. Therefore, we can skip these two values. We can skip these two values. We have to consider only a is equal to 4q plus 1 and a is equal to 4q plus 3. Because a is odd. Means we shall consider, since a is an odd integer, therefore a is equals to 4q plus 1 and a is equals to 4q plus 3. Okay. Now at first we shall consider a is equals to 4q plus 1. We are to consider square of odd integer, means square of a. Means consider a is equal to 4q plus 1. Squaring both sides, we get a square is equals to 4q plus 1 square. This implies a square is equals to, this is of the form a plus b whole square, that is square of first term 16 q square plus 8q plus 1. Okay. Our aim is to prove that a square is of the form 8k plus 1. A square is of the form 8k plus 1. Taking 8 common, it can be done as 8 2q square plus q plus 1 is equals to, now q is an integer, therefore q square is also integer. Again 2q square is an integer and sum of two integer is a new integer. We denote this new integer by k and we write this expression as 8k plus 1, where what is k? 2q square plus q. That means for first case we get square of an odd integer is of the form 8k plus 1. Okay. Now consider a is equals to 4q plus 3, because second value of a is 4q plus 3. Again squaring on both sides, we get a square is equal to 4q plus 3 whole square. 4q plus 3 whole square. This implies a square is equals to, take the square of right hand side, 4q square is 16q square plus 24q plus 9. Okay. Now as we want to take 8 common, last term this 9 can be written as 8 plus 1 and I am writing this as 16q square plus 24q plus 8. Take this in one bracket and what is remain? Plus 1. That means a square is written in this form. Now take 8 common. 8 2q square plus 3q plus 1 plus 1. Again the quantity inside the bracket is a integer, new integer, and which is denoted by 8. Means it is of the form 8k plus 1, where k is equals to 2q square plus 3q plus 1. Now we have taken a is an odd integer. According division algorithm, we get two different values of a, as a is 4 cube plus 1 and a is equals to 4 cube plus 3. In both cases, we observe that square of this odd integer is of the form 8k plus 1. That means square of any odd integer is always of the form 8k plus 1. Means we can apply the division algorithm to solve some problems of this type. Okay. Now we shall write division algorithm as a is equals to b cube plus r. Here r is a remainder. If this remainder is 0, what happens? We get a is equals to b cube. That means this is a perfect division. That means we can say that a is divisible by b. A is divisible by b. And from this we get the definition of divisibility. Now we shall consider divisibility. Divisibility. Now we shall define divisibility. Means we shall consider two integers, for example a and b, and we divide the integer b by a. That means we shall consider a is a divisor. That means a is not equal to 0. B is any integer that is dividend. Then an integer b is said to be divisible an integer b is said to be divisible by an integer a.